If I was your bartender, I'd mix them up strong in a tall blender till the last one's gone. Yeah, I'd play every heartbreak song on the jukebox till your teardrops that fell on the bar top. Keep you drinking, get you thinking, I'm right where you need to be. If I was your bartender, I'd talk you out of leaving me. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Going to teach you how to play another song from the Morgan Wallen Dangerous album. This song is called Your Bartender. It's a super great song and it's really easy to play. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to put a capo on the 4th fret and it's in standard tuning. Before I get into all the chords and the chord progressions and things, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials. And also YouTube serves it up to more people the more that you hit like. So as long as you think it's worthy of someone else seeing it, please hit the like button, okay? And if you have questions or comments or anything, let me know in the comment section. Even just give me like a thumbs up or something like that, you know? Just let me know that you appreciate it. And if you have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comments, all right? So let's get into this one. Okay, you're gonna start with A minor 7. Okay, then you're gonna do F. Typically, it's not always in this order. You're gonna do C. All right, and then G. I'm doing this G just because it's really easy to do that G. That G from C. See how easy that is? So that's really easy. So this song is super easy to play. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. If I was your car. Okay, so you're gonna do that once. You're gonna do A minor 7. Okay, F. Okay, then C. Then G. And you're gonna go into the verse. You're gonna start doing lyrics. So you're gonna do if I was your car, and I would play this part much softer. All right. So the way you can do that is you can actually just hit the bottom 4 strings, like D, G, B, and a little E, or you can just kind of try and hit it a little bit softer. Okay. Remember, you're doing that down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, for most of it. That's the strumming pattern for most of the song. There's a couple parts in the chorus where you don't do that, where you just do up, down, up, down. I'll show you that though. So you do, if I was your car. Car is where you do A minor 7, okay? Car, I turn you around, okay? Round, or around is F, okay? Round. If I was your radio, okay? The beginning of radio is where you're gonna do C. Radio, I'd play our song right now. Now is G, okay? Now. If I was your memory, okay? Memory is A minor 7, so you're just repeating that now. Memory of me, I keep it running, running. Okay, then after the second running, you do F. Till your fingers start thumbing through your phone. Okay, then after phone, you do C. Phone. Tell me that you're coming home. Home is G, okay? Home. And then you can do that, or you can actually just keep playing it. If I was your bartender, okay, so you can do that, or I think it'll sound better if you go, coming home. If I was your bartender, so you can do that like just one strum and let it ring out, okay? If you want to. And then you're gonna go, if I was your bar, okay, bartender is where you do A minor 7. Bartender, I'd mix them up strong in a tall. Okay, tall is F, and notice we're still doing the same strumming pattern, okay? So you do A minor 7, F, tall is F. Tall blender till the last one's gone. Okay, then after gone, you do C. Yeah, I play every heartbreak song on that jukebox. Okay, jukebox is G. Jukebox till your teardrops, they fall on the bar top. Okay, so on that bar top is where you're gonna do, they fell on that bar top. You're just gonna do down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up. They fell on the bar top. And then after bar top, you're gonna do A minor 7 again. Keep you drinking, get you thinking, I'm right. Okay, I'm right where you need to be. Right is F. If I was your bar. Okay, so then what you do is, now, so you went A minor F. Normally, you would do it a little bit different right here, okay? But what you're gonna do is, if I was your bartender, is gonna be, bartender is A minor 7. Bartender, I talk, okay, talk is G. Talk you out of leaving me. Okay, me is C, all right? So you're gonna do, if I was your bartender, I'd talk you out of leaving me. If I was your Bible. Okay, so then when you do C there, you're gonna start doing the strumming pattern again. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the verse. If I was your Bible, turn your page to forgiveness. Okay, just like that. The second verse is the same. The chorus is the same. It's a really easy song. And then for the whoa, 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 okay, you're gonna do that same thing. You're just gonna do A minor 7, F, okay, then you do C, G, okay, then after G, you do, if I was your bartender, I'd mix them up strong in a tall blender. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, for the first like 3 chords, or the first 2 chords of the last chorus, you're just gonna do single strums, okay? If I was your bartender, that's A minor 7 on bartender. Bartender, I'd mix them up strong in a tall blender. So normally you would do it right on tall, but here you're gonna do it before because he delays tall. Tall blender till the last one's gone. Yeah, I play every heartbreak song on the jukebox to teardrops that fell on the bar top. Get you drinking, get you thinking. Okay, just like that. So it's when you get to C that you're gonna do, yeah, I play every heartbreak song. That's where you're gonna start strumming it the same way again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? And then when you end the song, you can just end it on that C if you want to, okay? Just like you would end the chorus, okay? I talk you out of leaving me. And you can just do me on that last C, all right? And just do a single strum. So anyway, that's how I play the whole song. It's a super great song. Let me know if you guys have other requests and stuff, and I'll see you next time.